Welcome to Feng-GUI Dashboard, the most powerful predictive eye tracking software in the market. Feng-GUI enables you to get instant and unbiased visual feedback at a fraction of the cost and time of traditional eye tracking. Thousands of professionals across all media channels are using Feng-GUI to test and optimize websites, advertisements, videos, print media, shelf layout, signage, and packaging design. To analyze a new visual, the first thing to do is to upload an image file of that visual stimuli. Let's upload, for example, a snapshot image of webpage. Click Upload Image to select an image or a video file. You can upload up to 10 files at once. Wait until the file is uploaded and appear at the files list. Next, we select the file at the files list, and we will set a few analysis parameters. To teach Feng-GUI about the content of this input visual, we set the view type of the file as website. To set the viewer distance from this visual, we set the view distance as desktop screen. The remain options below enables you to adjust the format of the created reports. Now, we add areas of interests. An area of interest is an edited area where the analysis metrics are calculated, such as visibility score, time to first fixation, fixations count, etc. Let's click and drag a few boxes to create AOIs surrounding specific areas inside the visual stimuli. Tagging these areas allows Feng-GUI Analysis Engine to output AOI statistics for the fixations and visual features table, which will appear here after we analyze the image. Now, we are ready to analyze the image. We click the Analyze button and wait few seconds for the analysis to finish and the reports to load. Now we can see the reports that were created. The first report is the original image. The next one is the heat map report. The opacity report, which I selected to be white background instead of black. The predicted gaze path report. The areas of interest report. And the aesthetics report. In the next video, we will dive into each one of these reports and explain it.